In this session, let us learn about HTML computer code elements. HTML computer code elements. HTML contains several elements for defining user input and computer code. See here example, code and result. See here H2 computer code, some programming code, x is equal to 5, y is equal to 6, z is equal to x plus 5. By writing and executing this code, the result returns this computer code, some programming code. HTML KBD for keyboard input. The HTML KBD element is used to define keyboard input. The content inside is displayed in the browser's default monospace font. Define some text as keyboard input in a document. See the KBD element. Paragraph. The KBD element is used to define keyboard input. Save the document by pressing KBD Ctrl plus S. By writing and executing this code, the result returns this, the KBD element like this. HTML SAMP for program output. The HTML SAMP element is used to define sample output from a computer program. The content inside is displayed in the browser's default monospace font. Define some text as sample output from a computer program in a document. See the SAMP element. Here the SAMP element is used to define SAMP output from a computer program. Message from my computer, file not found. Press F1 to continue. See here now we are using SAMP element here. By writing and executing this code, the result returns this, the SAMP element. File not found, press F1 to continue. HTML code for computer code. The HTML code element is used to define a piece of computer code. The content inside is displayed in the browser's default monospace font. Define some text as computer code in a document. See same as above, we should write this code like this. The result returns this. Notice the code element does not preserve extra white space and line breaks. To fix this, you can put this code element inside pre-element. See here, by writing this code, now I am giving pre-element here, inside pre-element, the result returns this. The code element does not preserve white space and line breaks. To fix this, you can put the code element inside a pre-element. Now we are using pre-element code like this, using pre-element. HTML var for variables. The HTML var element is used to define a variable in programming or in a mathematical expression. The content inside is typically displayed in italic. Define some text as variable in a document. See document HTML body, the var element, the area of a triangle is 1 by 2 x where b where. See where b is a base and the where and is a vertical height. See by writing and execute this code, the var element, the area of a triangle is 1 by 2 into b x into where b is the base and h is the vertical height. Chapter summary. The KBD element defines keyboard input. The SAMP element defines sample output from a computer program. The code element defines a piece of computer code. The var element defines a variable in programming or in a mathematical expression. The pre element defines performated text. See here the code tag defines programming code. KBD tag defines keyboard input. SAMP defines computer output. var defines a variable. Pre defines pre-formatted text. Okay friends, this is end of HTML part 45 computer code. In next video let us learn about another topic, semantics. If you like our program, please like, subscribe and press bell icon for our next part video updates. Thank you friends. Meet you in next video. All the best.